guys, just woke up in the Hamptons. You can see my Hampton shirt. Les is also here. We actually got in last night, but it was pretty late and we looked a hot mess. Oh, there's a little surprise outside our door. What do we have here? Oh, we have some lipsticks. What's this? Ooh, Puma gear. Oh. What do we have here? Got a little Puma outfit up in here. Not the shoes. A hat. Is this cute? Are we looking Puma-fied? And look. This is for you.
Oh, don't mind if I do.
What voice was that?
I don't know. It's my waking up voice.
Because I made you wake up and vlog?
Oh yeah. Shmeh. Go ahead, flex one time. Turn, twist for me.
Karen's right next door. She hasn't come yet. We're waiting for her to arrive. How come when I put these high keys on, you want to put them on?
Because I look good.
Oh my gosh. See what I have to deal with, you guys? Almond butter, keto life.
Yeah.
If I drink alcohol, I have to at least...
What?
Look at how cute this makeup station is. I'm so excited to try these stick foundations. Ooh. What else we got here? We got the lemonade palette. Got some highlighters. Master Prime. Some mascara. Wait, where's Big Shot at? Some lippies. Some lipsticks. We just got everything we need right up in here.
Sheets of paper lying right next to
Calling Shayla, can you please make your way to the lobby so we can start having fun? Thanks very much. Beep.
We are headed to the beach club, y'all.
It's like a yacht club. It's like one.
Oh, it's fancy. It's a yacht club.
I look like we're looking like trophy. What?
Are we?
I am. You're like more classy than me.
Jamie's looking like the mistress over here.
Right on the side. Oh, yeah.
come along and save her, save her. Save her. All she needs is someone to hold.
You know what I should do? Put the dress in between my butt cheeks and kind of like squeeze it so it doesn't move.
All she needs is someone to hold on.
Oh, well, all right. Looking good. Sexy lady. Looking real good.
Don't at me.
All right, what time is it? Is it shot time?
It's shot time.
Is it shot time?
Shot time. Let's
Shot
get it.
time? You in this? Shot time?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Bad.
Come in. Shot time. I seen Caesar crawling up the stairs this morning.
Don't crawling up the
6
stairs?
a.m. 6 a.m.
Damn.
He's crawling up the stairs.
Damn, what you doing? Going out for a workout then?
I looked out the window. I woke up early. I looked out and I said, Caesar, you alright? And he just went,
Better be ready for the night. It's about to get wild.
Jamie, what do you have there?
My Montauk sweatshirt.
Oh, a little souvenir.
I've been to Montauk.
So we had to leave the beach club early because it was like overcast. The weather is like, ooh. The weather is not very Hamptons like. The sun comes out for a few seconds, teases us, goes back. This isn't like Hamptons weather. I don't know what's going on. Did we bring the clouds? Did we bring the storm? Oh, okay. It's kind of overcast. You got the shades on though.
Yeah. It's kind of bright out.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's me.
My little sunshine, my little sunshine.
Creepy.
I'm taking my bottle home with me.
I'm taking it home too. Excited?
Oh. We're gonna work on building a cocktail part. First, you want to add your Tito's. That way you know how much booze is in there. Syrup and sugar and water.
2 shots.
So it's totally up to you.
Babe, that was like...
I
I'm here.
Look who finally made it.
I know, 10 hours later. We left at 5 a.m. this morning.
Look at her makeup though.
I did it in the car. Look how dark my brows are.
You're tan, girl. I know. Oh. Yes. Oh, look at. Oh. Okay, girl. Okay.
Welcome to Tito Land. The best.
Wait, Jamie. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see what you came up with.
It's an air
Oh. Okay. What did Jackie drink? The whole bottle?
Literally almost the whole bottle.
Jackie, how you doing?
Bye.
Damn, this shit looks bomb. Little sunset dinner. We're in the newspaper? Wait, where am I at?
Wait, do you want some?
Oh, there I am. So they had like a nice little romantic dinner. It's too cold. Like, look at my hair. That's how you know it's cold, okay? It's too cold.
Let's kick sand in my sausage.
Let's kick sand in your sausage?
Yeah. I can eat it.
It's so good to be here with Maybelline. Thank you so much, guys. It's incredible. Everyone's privileged.
There's small ships in the sea.
Oh,
There's
Lord.
big ships in the sea, but there's nothing better than friendships.
We just got to the club. Hampton style. We'll see what Hampton's all about, okay? Woke up to rain and just nasty overcast weather. I have no sweater. I'm over here in my Camp Maybelline shirt because I wasn't prepared for this at all.
Keeping the diet strong.
Wait, I'm waiting.
Look at that focus.
You're gonna get a tattoo?
I don't know, like a part of me wants to be like badass and just be like, just do it, but then
Just
another
do
part
it.
of me is just like,
No? Jamie's about to get a tattoo. I've never ever seen anyone get a tattoo, so it's the first for me. Very excited for her. Where are you gonna get it? Where are you? Right back here. I've never seen this happen before. This is so cool.
So you never seen people pass it out, right?
Are you gonna get a tattoo?
Do you want to hold my hand?
No. I don't have any. I have virgin skin.
Yeah, me too.
I don't have any at all.
Jack, you are for sure, right?
Huh?
You're getting a tattoo?
I'm not getting it.
No?
I'm taking time off.
What? Who are
I
you?
got tattooed last week. You want it?
Wow, it looks so good, Jamie. What tattoo are you about to get?
I'm about to get the year that I was born, 1997.
Damn, your highlight's popping, girl. This ring light is kind of nice.
Shayla?
Shot.
I am classy. I am a classy woman. And the weather is still terrible. Oh my god, I sound like a monster. Oh, look at the weather. Oh my god, my voice. The Hamptons played us with this weather, okay?